Welcome back guys, Crypto for Life channel. Today I would like to talk about Solana USDT trading pair with my customer set. Just a local updates for that token. Let's dive in. Just to be honest guys, now all coins included the Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum looks absolutely weak. Gold, S&P, Nvidia looks okay, around all-time high. The Bitcoin 22% down since all-time high. And it looks weird, and altcoins bloody more because the Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin going down and Bitcoin dominance going up and altcoins going down. So that's a problem. So basically with the Bitcoin, everything okay. The problem with the altcoins now, a lot of altcoins drop it even under the lows of 2022. Of course, the Sol looks okay. We're just in the middle, but we got a huge room for dump. For continuation dump, this is like a sideways. I hope this is just on a daily time frame. Looks like impulse, sideways impulse, and my main target for Sol like $558 per coin this cycle. I think still relevant, but now of course Sol looks weak. Yes, we got a hype around the pump fund and all that stuff, but it's not affect the price of Sol. So that's a deal. And still huge support levels. If we will see some black swan, the 2 monthly gaps still like a main support blocks. It's 78.85 and fulfill $68, and the next one is 58 and 39. Of course, I don't think so. We will dump a solo now to test a zero level again. But just in case it's more than real to see. Of course, this is like an uptrend, but we can't know, if this is like a channel, right? So you remember the video about a channel. Here is a. So if, let's say, this is like support. This is support. So yes, we can trade in this channel, right? So maybe this is a touch. We should touch again and bounce to a new high like 300 to new all-time high. It's more than real, but you remember the channels are totally subjective, and it can be like this channel. So why not? So let's add the apply defaults. So it can be even like this one, and we will be still in an uptrend. So that's a problem. If we will dump again to this area, for example, in November 2024, it's going to be pretty bad to test, let's say, like this one. It can be here. September, by end of September, we can dump to $67. It's going to be mind-blowing, right? Of course, I don't think so. The Solana will dump now from this current price like 46% based on what? Based on what bad news we should dump it, but it's more than real. So unfortunately, this is a sideways. I hope this is just a deviation at the bottom. You remember we talk also about deviations, and here is, if it's a deviation at the bottom here, the next step should be deviation at the top. So the next one should be here. So we're just in the range since beginning of March. So the highest point 210, and the low of deviation was like 110. So this is a K levels, and if we will form another deviation, it will be one more confirmation of the weak support levels. So that's a problem. But of course, we already tested 23 over FIP. Next one is 75. This level, this FIP, absolutely relevant. So my take, of course, I wish to see, but of course, market absolutely don't care what I wish. To see its deviation at the top in 220 would be good to see, of course, in October, because the majority now waiting the red September and the green October. I would like to see absolutely opposite picture, and to see the green September and then red October, green November. So that's okay. We're just in a range. Let's take a look with my customer what we'll do now, especially on a weekly time frame. It's really interesting. This one, it's a distribution, unfortunately, guys. Of course, here is a distribution, the warranty on weekly time frame. Then we dump it. Here was accumulation. This one bounce. This is distribution again. So of course, I would like to see the continuation, but unfortunately, like you can see, we're just in the middle. So this is a weekly candle, and it looks not so bullish one, just to be honest. Monthly time frame, we in distribution. Also, so all that time period was a accumulation. So of course, I would like to see the continuation higher, right? And then some signals on direction about distribution and form the huge divergence on a monthly time frame, right? Because now we don't see any divergence. If we dump lower on a monthly time frame on ADZ, it's going to be the crazy dump. I hope this cycle will be without the black swan. Market mood, yes, so it's still overhyped. So this was a capitulation zone and accumulation time. All that time period since October 2023. Of course, we a little bit come down, but this is not a crazy accumulation zones, guys. That's a problem. Daily time frame, at least take a look locally. Here was a pump, dump to capitulation. Now we in the same condition like it was here. So of course would be good just a sweep of that low 122.65 and bounce higher, you know, because if we will drop lower, it's nothing good for Sol. So now of course it's a good time for accumulation on the daily time frame. But it will be so annoying if we're gonna trade I don't know, 2 months more in just in a sideways. Sell, buy back, bounce, buy back. So of course would be good to see the signal to buy like it was here, but unfortunately without any signals now. Also, it's so annoying, so we don't see any accumulation zones like it was here still. Sell, buy back, sell. No signal to buy back again. Just in case, guys, keep in mind the black swan is $78, 79. Take profit line. Also, what is bad? Take a look. We didn't test it on the weekly time frame. The even exit line above. So it's 113. It's only the test of take profit line. Even the Bitcoin already tested on a weekly time frame. Bitcoin already been here. So take exit line on the weekly time frame on Sol. It's 113. It's a retest of that level above, and here the take profit line is 100, so psychological price. So of course at 100 a lot of will be the limit orders to buy, you know, but it's kind of weird because the buy line on the Sol is $50 now on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame here, $99.62, it's a buy line, guys. It looks not so brightful. Yes, looks not so brightful. And imagine if the you know that one, the range, if the range is not from that top but from this low. Imagine if this is an impulse top and we should see the deviation at that low. So exactly deviation with the weak candle will be here at 99.76, and the next step is going to be here. Yes, so it's going to be pretty bad one. So unfortunately, no good signals. Take profit now on the daily, it's 197. Exit line, it's 222.55. So this is guys levels for Sol. Write please in the comment what do you think about the current situation on Solana. Are we going up from this current price, or are we going much lower, under even $99? If you would like to trade with my customer Chris, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.